What's up, Lowheat collectors, Lowheat sneakerheads? I got some borderline high heat here today. You let me know in the chat if you think. Yeah, I said chat, not the comments. Let me know in the chat if you think this is high heat, low heat. And as I unbox this first one, I'm just gonna say, you know what you should do? You should subscribe. Because I am a lowly sub 1,000 subscriber YouTuber, and I'm not even at 500. So if you could do me the favor and get me over that 500 subscriber mark, I'll take you out to ice cream. That's obviously just me babbling incoherently about nonsense, but I had to say something. That's my channel plug. Okay, on to the more important stuff. But yeah, do subscribe. We have a size 8K piece of heat here. So this is my Yeezy Day haul, because YouTubers like the word haul. And on Yeezy Day, these weren't obviously a Yeezy Day drop, but these released officially on Yeezy Day. So I woke up to my Confirm app saying I had hit on two Foamrunners in the kid sizes that I applied, entered for. And here we go. This is the first Foamrunner I've ever hit on. These are ridiculous. Look at that. They're super light, not just because they're a small size, but these are super light. And I don't know how many of you out there have had these in hand, or hit on a pair or bought a pair. But I think these are really interesting. One thing you can say about Kanye is he pushes the envelope. Now, I don't know if I vibe with this whole thing, locking himself in Mercedes-Benz Stadium and doing this unique album release methodology that he's doing. But, he's an artist. I guess what I understand, I almost understand him more than I understand the fascination and cult-like following of him and the mega fandom of him, even after he's kind of gone off the rails. So I think it's not that I don't understand him, I don't understand his legions of loyal followers. But that's human nature, I guess. But yeah, I will say he doesn't stop pushing the envelope. And these are a very interesting design, and just like everything, everyone resists at first, and then slowly it becomes popular. And I do appreciate that these are made out of that Eva foam, that reclaimed algae, and so that these are somewhat environmentally conscious or friendly. So I appreciate that. They are made in China, though, not made in the US. So these retail, these are going for about double. Clearly, I don't have kids yet, so I'm not going to save these. I'm gonna flip these, make some bucks, buy some more shoes. I'm just gonna open up this one really quick because I hit on the infant and the toddler sizes. Again, hang around. I'm getting to the big W of the day here in just a second. But I just wanted to say, yeah, even though I don't mess with Kanye, I appreciate his different approach to, music, releasing music, and obviously shoe design, him and Steven Smith. And so I do appreciate that. These are size 2, and these are in that clay colorway. Yeah, if I hit on my own size of these, these are not for me. I just can't wear these and not start laughing at myself. Maybe a house shoe, I don't know. It's just too much profit, at least for me, to not cash in on these and buy some other pairs that I do want. So that's these. Let me know what you think in the comments about the Foamrunners, the Yeezy Foamrunners. So that's them. Going to the flip. Gonna be straight up with you guys. Flipping those, obviously, not my size. All right. Now on to arguably some high heat. Again, appreciate the Foamrunners pushing the envelope like that, stretching the design boundaries. You got to appreciate that than seeing the same old silhouettes over and over, redone over and over. So I will give Kanye and Steven Smith credit in that department. I'm not buying a Gap jacket though. Who's buying a Gap jacket? I mean, that's something for the comments. Who's trying to hit on a Gap jacket? I think you can pre-order them right now. That's one thing I'm not doing. I'm not going to buy into that and try to flip that thing. No way. All right. So they've been now released. Oh shit. I opened the wrong box. Well, a little bonus here for the video, a little bonus video here. I got these off StockX. And I've been eyeing these. So at least these are on brand. I can keep this in the video. It would have been bad if this was a different brand. But so a little bonus unboxing here for everyone. Check out these. When these released, I missed the boat on these, and I was really bummed. And then the resale was really high on these. And then they released I think they released overseas first. And they might not have even released here in the States. And then they released another colorways of these in like black and white. Missed out on those. And yes, these look like bowling shoes. Definitely. But they're so like unique. I hadn't had a pair of Superstars. I always wanted a pair until I recently hit on those Bape Superstars, Camo Superstars. So these weren't for under retail on StockX. So I just had to pull the trigger on these. I couldn't not pull the trigger on these. Maybe should I put this in a separate video? I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably just keep. No one's gonna click on this, so I probably will keep this in this video. But look at how wild are these, and the extra laces. So these are the Blondey Superstars. What's the official colorway in these, and what's the price? Ice blue, and I think these retail for like 130 or something like that. And I got put in an offer for like high 80s and got accepted. So I got these for under retail. I mean, taxes and shipping and all. Let's put these on quick, see how they look. Look on foot with clear. So these are obviously great with dope socks. I have some basic bitch socks on, just some Supreme Hanes. Yes, I'm a basic bitch. Don't make fun of me. You can make fun of me. That's okay. Let me know if you mess with the Supreme Hanes socks or not. Are these? Am I killing it in these, or am I corny as fuck in these? You can be honest. It's all right. It's all right. I can take it. I can take the heat. Okay. All right, guys. What do you think about those? I think. Yes. I'm not going to argue with anyone if you say these look like bowling shoes. You're not wrong. But at the same time, these are some fucking fire bowling shoes, right? I don't know. Something about these, I love them. I think it's the colors. I think it's the combination of the colorways, the red laces, the light baby blue, the black soles and black toe, and then combine. And then they're also see-through. I think that's. I don't know. Am I off my block? Am I? Am I out of line? Am I out of line with these? Maybe. You guys let me know. Let me know in the comments. Okay. All right, let's see here. Here we go. Here's what I meant to open up. I'm like destroying content for my channel because I was supposed to do a separate unboxing for these. So, some sympathetic likes. Give me some sympathetic likes, comments, and subscribes for this. This was supposed to be a whole separate video, and I just destroyed it and wrapped it up into this video. So I'd appreciate if you're watching still to give me a subscribe, because now that's one less video for my channel. Not that anyone was going to click on this one anyway. It's because no one's looking up Blondey Superstars, I don't think, at this point, way after their release. So that was just a little bonus content for you guys watching this video. So appreciate me. I'd appreciate it for a subscribe. That sentence didn't make any sort of sense. Give me a subscribe for the sympathy. All right. Now we're on to the Yeezy Boost 700 in white, black, gray. These things retail for $300. Let's see why. These, I would say, other than the 350 like Zebras and some of those turtle doves. These are probably the most iconic Yeezys at this point. One of the most iconic Yeezys, and they are the Waverunners. Again, these have released now a few times, but these are still everyone's favorite. I unboxed, what was it, the blue ones that came out recently, and I just got really lucky on Confirmed. So these hit were a drawing on Confirmed on Yeezy Day just a little bit ago, and somehow I got the W. Shout out to Confirmed. I've hit quite a bit on Confirmed. Now I'm like a platinum member at this point, so maybe that has a little something to do with it, but I don't hit on everything. But I'd say like 75% of the things I try for, I get. So that's a pretty high hit rate, especially when you compare it to sneakers. So I don't know, nothing bad to say about Confirmed so far. But part of the reason these are $300 is because all the different materials on these things. There's like however many different parts and components to these, and so there's just a lot of construction that's put into these, and that's part of the reason that these are so expensive. Just manufacturing these is more expensive than a normal shoe. And Stephen Smith designed these, and the Complex Media, they've done a bunch of really interesting interviews with him. So go check those out. The Complex Sneakers podcast, and they've had him on Full Size Run. Really interesting stories on shoe design and sneaker history. So those are all good listens. I like these. Obviously, it's kind of in the more modern dad shoe trend, chunky shoes, but these have had staying power that's died down a bit. But these, being the first of this model, just people like them, and I like them too. I'm thinking that these would be a good hold. I don't think, as expensive as these were, and these retail 300, paid taxes, shipping, or free shipping. It came out to like 330 here in California. I could sell these, make around $100 profit on StockX like right now, or probably 90. But I think these are a good hold. Now they could keep just like, remaking these and retroing these, but I think this is the one Yeezy I'm not going to flip right away. I'm going to hold. I don't think I'm going to wear them, again, because as I'm not a huge Kanye fan, I do think that it's better for me to sell these, but maybe just not right away. I can see these being like the Jordan 1s of Kanye. I mean, well, really, his Nike Yeezys probably are those, but what would you say these are the equivalent of? The Jordan 11 of Kanye's? Here, let's try these on. I got my Adidas Life Aquatic Leopard Sharks that I got from Extra Butter on. I love these ZXs. These are dope. This goes to the class. This is why I start the channel, because here you got some high heat. Here you got some definite low heat. I think these are just as dope. Not as rare, not as exclusive, not as expensive, but random people, dudes, moms, daughters, grandparents will recognize and comment on these more than these. So at the end of the day, you're wearing shoes to reflect your personality, show off a bit, get people to notice you, and these do that just as well, if not better. The only place these do better is if you're at like on Melrose in LA around other hype beasts. That's the only time these would get more noticed. And heck, these might just get, these catch the eye more than these almost. So, it's up for debate. Let's put these on quick, see how these look on foot. I don't think it'll hurt the resale value that much if I just put these on really quick. I do like the laces on these. These laces, light yellow laces, at a really sick pop. Brad Hall does the best shoe reviews. Go watch Brad Hall. Shout out Brad Hall. So I did go half size up on these. Went half size up on these. Would definitely recommend going half size up. These perfect fit on these, going half size up in my opinion. All right, do I not look like a hype beast or what? I got my Supreme Hanes socks on with the Yeezy 700 Waverunners. Damn. Damn. God, a lot of 17-year-olds would be jealous of me. And on bowling night, you know what? A lot of retirees would be jealous of me there. Anyways, which do you like better? Huh? Which Adidas shoe do you like better? Throw the Foamrunners in there for a good effect. These, or a pair of those Foamrunners in your size, of course. It's hard for me. I mean, again, this is why I have the channel. These, you know, obviously are what we all seek to attain, and what us sneakerheads, you know, are more coveted. But man, I fuck with these harder. So, anyways, thanks for watching. If you're watching up to this point, let me know you watched the whole video or watched the end. Appreciate you guys. And back with some more Lowheat very soon.